Welcome back. Now news from sports. Host Goa made good start in baseball and tug-of-war on the opening day of National School Games at Ponda. Goa boys beat Uttar Pradesh while girls defeated Haryana in baseball. In tug-of-war, Goa boys downed Haryana while girls prevailed over Tamil Nadu. In all, 16 states are participating in the Under-19 Games.
और राष्ट्रीय स्मारकों का प्रदेश गुजरात महात्मा गांधी का जन्मस्थान वस्त्रोद्योग के लिए मशहूर दुग्ध व्यवसाय में अग्रसर मन से गुजरता हुआ जहाँ का सोमनाथ मंदिर बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध है जो वेरावल में स्थित है। इसके बाद हरियाणा यानी हरि का आना देवभूमि प्राचीन हरित प्रदेश कुरुक्षेत्र जहाँ कौरव और पांडव का युद्ध हुआ था, पानीपत की ऐतिहासिक रण क्षेत्र भूमि गर्म और औषधि सरों का यहाँ बोलबाला है, इसीलिए हरियाणा प्रसिद्ध है।
I declare the 50th National School Game Baseball and Tug-of-War Championship is open.
In boys baseball, Goa beat Uttar Pradesh by 15 homes. Madhya Pradesh thrashed Vidya Bharati by 11-1 homes. Punjab, Delhi, Maharashtra, Andhra boys along with Goa, MP and Delhi girls started with a victory. In tug-of-war, Delhi, Goa and Andhra tasted victory in the boys and girls section. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Two young Goan footballers will get a chance to train in A.S.D Cape Town soccer school in January next year. Although there is no official declaration as to who these boys are, it is learned that the two footballers are from Saragaukar Football Club. Coach from A.S.D Cape Town, Dave Waters, was impressed by the duo during the trials recently. Former Saragaukar junior footballer Brendan Fernandez trained with A.S.D Cape Town to reach the stage of securing a trial with English club Reading and Leicester City.
Dave Waters monitored young footballers on trials after he landed in Goa on Thursday morning. He put them different tests and was impressed by some.
I think in the last 4 or 5 days I've seen bits of football, different communities. I would say I've seen a variety of levels. At the boys we were trialling, there was definitely some talented boys there. So I would say it's a variety of levels I've seen.
Two of these boys will be recommended to A.S.D Cape Town Academy for further trials, but Dave refused to disclose their name.
There's two boys who we are looking to take back to Cape Town for a trial in January. For now, we're not going to name the boys because we want to make sure all the details are finalised, and also it's a process, it's a trial process, and so to be fair to the boy, we're not going to name them.
A.S.D Cape Town picked up Brendan Fernandez from Goa a few years ago, and now the South Africa-based academy is back to look for prospects. However, they don't have any tie-ups with any organisation here.
From the trip here, I've seen the relationships have been very positive. So for now, it's been early stages. Although we've been here 2 or 3 years ago before, the relationship's been built with a lot of clubs in general. It's been good with the Goan FA. So there's nothing formally been agreed with anyone at present.
A reporter from Kolwa, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent.